Very good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, surface areas and volumes. Okay. So for the 3D, three-dimensional figures, we are going to find out how to get the surface areas and volumes of these figures. Let us see. So first of all, we are interested in cuboid and cube. So let us see first about the cuboid. So cuboid is made by rectangular boxes. So this is about the cuboid, where we have length and breadth and height. Sorry, this is the height. This is height. This is breadth. So length, breadth and height. So in order to get the surface area, we have two types of surface areas here. Lateral surface area So lateral surface area is the surface area where top and bottom will not include. Means top side and bottom side will not include. So we have only four walls like. So the formula will be 2h into L plus B. 2h into L plus B. Next we have total surface area. So where we have to add the top and bottom, so it will become 2 times of LB. 2 LBs will be there, BH and LH. So all are the formulas of rectangular length into breadth. So here we are going to get the lateral surface area formula as 2h into L plus B. Total surface area formula as 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Next, volume is equals to LBH. Length into breadth into height. Volume of the cuboid formula. Next, we have diagonal of the cuboid. Diagonal of the cuboid is equals to root of L square plus B square plus H square. So this is the formula for diagonal of the cuboid. So next we will see about the cube. So cube, it is a figure which is made by using the squares. So generally this is a square. Okay, all sides are equal, length, breadth and height 3 also equal. So here it will be lateral surface area of cube. A square. Why? Because 4 sides, so all are a square only. Length into breadth will be a square. So next, total surface area. So we need to include top and bottom. So totally it will become 6 faces. So it will be 6a square. So volume of the cube. Volume of the cube will be a cube. Next, diagonal of the cube, which is cube root of 3 into a. Now let us discuss some questions regarding this cuboid and cube. Next we are going to discuss example 2. So the question is, Hamid has built a cubical water tank with a lid for his house with each outer edge 1.5 meters long. So it means that there is one cubical edge. So cube is made up of square. So this is square. So let us draw a cube. So this is the cubicle. So which is made up of 1.5 meters long. And he is not going to touch the outer surface area excluding the base. So apart from the base, so he is going to cover with remaining all with the square tiles of 25 centimeters each. So we need to find out how many tiles are required and what will be the cost. of each total money, how much he is going to spend. Okay, let us see. So he is given cube. What solution? Make sure that he is covering only the 5 sides, so he is not putting any tiles on the base. So given side of the cube, which is 1.5 meters long. Now we need to observe one thing, that here meters is there and here centimeters is there. Let us convert this meters into centimeters, so it will become 150 centimeters long. 1 meter is 100, so 1.5 into 100 will be 150 centimeters long. So since we are covering only the 5 sides, so surface area of cubical tank is 5a square, which is 5 into 150 into 150. So let us keep as it is. Now on this we are keeping square tile, so side of the square, which is 25 centimeter. Next, area of square, which is a square, which is 25 into 25. So let us keep as it is. Now in order to get number of tiles, so how many tiles you are required to build this water cubical tank is nothing but surface area of cubical tank by surface area of one tile. It's not surface area, area of one tile. So we'll get how many tiles are required for this. So here it is 5 into 150 into 150 by 25 into 25. So 5 times 30, 5 times 6, 30. So we are going to get 180 tiles are required in total. So how many tiles we require means we require totally 180 tiles. Number of tiles are 180. Now cost per dozen, he is saying rupees 360 rupees. So cost of one tile, that is 360 by 12. So one tile will cost rupees 30. So each tile we need to spend 30 rupees. Now totally we have 180 tiles. So total cost for cubical tank is nothing but 180 into 30, 5400. So we need to spend 5400 rupees in order to build this cubical tank. Next we will discuss exercise 13.1, third question. The question is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meters. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is 15,000, find the height of the hall. A rectangular hall is there which is having a perimeter. So let us start doing the word solution for this. So given perimeter of rectangle, which is 250 meter. So here units, no problem. So 2 into L plus B is equals to 250 meters. Okay. So let us keep as it is. Next he is giving cost of 4 walls. So we need to understand one term, that 4 walls. If we are talking about the 4 walls, then we are talking about lateral surface area. So lateral surface area. Next he is given that for 10 meters square, the cost is rupees 15 1000. So for 1 meter square, the cost is rupees 1500. Simply why? Because we will divide by 10, so 0 gets cancelled, it will be rupees 1500. So for 1 meter square we are getting cost is rupees 1500. So cost of 4 walls, is 1500. But we know that the area of the 4 walls formula is 2h into L plus B is equals to 1500. Why? Because already 4 walls it indicates only the lateral surface area. So lateral surface area of the cuboid formula we have 2h into L plus B. Now in place of 2 into L plus B we need to substitute 250. So 250 into h is equals to 1500. So height is equals to 1500 by 250. 0 gets cancelled. 25 ones, 25 6. So height is 6 meters. So it will be 6 meters. Rectangular tank will be there.